Hey beauties, it's Yomi, and today we're diving into the power of makeup. Let's glow.
There is no strict rule for makeup. It's all about creativity and personal style.
A perfect face makeup consists of several steps. Each one adds to the final look. So let's jump directly into the process right now and bring the look to life.
First step is primer.
Foundation.
Next step is concealer. Next step is eyebrows. Next step is eyeliner.
Apply the eyeliner slowly and steadily. Follow the curve of your lashes. Keep it puff every time.
Next step is mascara.
Next step is eyelash.
Next step is lip liner. Next step is rouge. See the final look.
If you like Yomi vlog, like, share, don't forget to click the bell icon for the latest updates.